I'm Anthony Contrino, and on this episode of Got Chef, we are in Jersey City at Razza, one of the best pizzerias in, well, honestly, the country. Today's episode is all about getting cheesy, and who better to do that with than the pizza whiz himself, Dan Richer. Dan is the chef owner of Razza and the author of The Joy of Pizza. He's dedicated his life to mastering the art of pizza making, and I can't wait to join him in the kitchen. Well, thanks for having me here. When I say that this is some of my favorite pizza in the world, it just, the attention to detail, the quality, even when you're not here, your team is on the ball.
Yeah.
And today we are making, actually it may be my favorite pie. We are making a white pie, the Bianca. Your version's a little bit different than what you'd probably find in like most pizzerias where
For sure.
like ricotta cheese is just like slathered all over it and it's
And they
so
put it on
heavy.
before they bake
Yes.
the pizza.
Which defeats the purpose of using a fresh cheese.
Exactly.
This is why this guy is a genius. You can make Dan's dough. It's in his book. I don't have to do it. He already did all the hard work.
All right, you ready to rock?
I'm ready to rock.
Are you gonna do it with me, side by side?
Absolutely not.
Come on. All right, I'm gonna take one out for you too.
Okay.
Just in case you wanna get your hands dirty.
Okay.
So flour up both sides.
Oh God, it's
Yes.
so
It's
supple.
Exactly.
That's a great word.
Yeah. So we're just gonna begin by pressing down and out, and there's no right or wrong way here. The way, I'd be a little bit more gentle. We spent so many hours
Not pushing the air out of it.
building up, the flavors of fermentation. You want to be nice and gentle.
I don't do delicate well, but
The way I teach my kids how to make pizza is just pick it up and let gravity do the stretching. Looks great.
all right, not terrible.
See? Yeah, and
I'll
then
take
we're gonna top it and then bake it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go over here to top. So I always like to dust with a little bit of rice flour. So we have some mozzarella that was made about an hour ago. It's still warm. I don't know if you want to rip a piece off and taste it. You kind of have to. There's
Am I ever gonna say no to?
There's nothing like fresh mozzarella that was just pulled.
It's delicious. It's like perfectly seasoned. And the beauty of the mozzarella is it's going to add like a gooey, melty, stringy component.
Incredible texture,
Yeah.
really great lactic flavors. And now we're gonna hit it with just a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna go in the oven.
So that mozzarella cheese is bubbly right now. It's melting, it's starting to spread.
All right, we're coming out. That's the
Wow, look at this. Still bubbling. The cheese has melted and made its way from crust to crust. It just smells divine, like everything about it. I could eat it just like this, but,
Yeah, me
but we're
too.
not done.
Yeah, fresh ricotta. Really special stuff. This is not the dry, grainy, watery.
That you'd find probably like
at
back in the
supermarket.
80s.
Yeah, exactly.
So the ricotta cheese is gonna add a freshness. It's gonna add an
Richness.
additional creaminess, richness. And I think we're gonna add one more cheese.
Yeah,
we're
let's
gonna
do
add an aged cheese.
tons of umami.
Yep, umami. It's going to add a little earthiness, and it just adds another dimension, another layer to the pizza. So
And you can do basil or not, and
always a little bit of
extra virgin olive oil
to finish.
This stuff is from California. It's my favorite place
how
to buy oil.
beautiful
from right
this
now.
is.
Should we taste it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Mesmerized. Thought I was violent. Wow. High quality ingredients. You can taste it. And the dough. Guys, the dough. Home run, out of this world. Well, thanks for having me. And we'll see you guys next time.
You guys are done? Let's do more. Let's do another one.
For the full recipe, head to gotchefeats.com.